Mickey, since it's the 4th of July, if you only had to pick one dance move, what would it be? Okay. Oh, move it, shake it, girl. Move it, shake it. Look at them hips. Wow. Okay. Oh, don't kill the camera. Don't kill the camera. I think that was pretty good. Yeah. All right, Pluto. You better go ahead, Pluto. Okay. All right. Oh, hot dog, hot diggity dog. Hey. Oh. You better go ahead, Donald. All right now. Ooh, okay. You better shake that thing. I see you. Good job. Yeah, they ain't ready for you.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, with those gonna lift me up this time. You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes? See you, for a moment even hope that I can feel you. See you, all that I wanted
Happy
was to
4th of
see you.
July to me. A Disney Pete just sent me a gift in the mail. It's a bag of pins. Oh my goodness, you know the way to my heart. It's gonna be a good day. We are currently on the back side of the Tron coaster. Oh my goodness, it looks bigger on this side. Wow, it is very tall. Video does not do this thing justice. What's up, YouTube? I hope all you guys are having an awesome, fantastic day. Happy 4th of July. This is my 4th time in a row I've been here at Magic Kingdom for 4th of July. It's technically July 3rd, but Disney celebrates July 3rd and July 4th. So today, we're starting things off here at the Contemporary. We made a reservation months ago to have brunch here at Chef Mickey's, really just for parking so we can walk over to the Magic Kingdom, not have to worry with the craziness of getting here to Magic Kingdom from TTC. So hopefully you guys are ready, because I am. Let's go do this. One of my favorite places on property. I've never been here for brunch, so I'm a little eager to go check it out. I have done a full Chef Mickey's restaurant review multiple times. I'll leave one of those videos down in the description if you guys want a full experience, but this time we're just gonna enjoy it, do a little bit of clips. Dan's here, he's gonna be with me all day. Bianca will be joined with me later this evening when she gets off work. Really good thing about brunch is you do have breakfast mixed with lunch, so you still get all your desserts, all the breakfast goods, and then all the lunch goods, which I'm really excited about. I get a little bit of everything. Are you gonna pop some fireworks, make some hamburgers tonight? Yeah, you and Daisy? Am I invited to the party? Okay, I'm invited to the party. Okay, yes, there we go, we did it. These are new cookie dough cannolis. They look delicious. Well, we have closed down Chef Mickey's, or about the last few families left. I wanted to taste these cookie dough cannolis. They're all right. Not the best. I can't really taste the cookie dough. But Chef Mickey's brunch is probably my new favorite brunch, although I have not ate at California Grill Sunday brunch yet. But I like brunch. You get a mixture of both breakfast and lunch. I definitely ate more breakfast, but that's enough talking. Let's get over to the Magic Kingdom for some 4th of July fun. It is currently 4:30 p.m. and Disney is already getting ready for the massive amount of crowds tonight after the fireworks show. This is going to be the stanchions for the ferry boat, it looks like. The monorail is currently shut down because they are starting to put out their stanchions. It's gonna be a madhouse tonight, but I'm ready. I'm pretty sure in about a few weeks to a month, all this 4th of July stuff will be in the character warehouse. It is currently 4:45 and they have already set up all of the tape for all the crowds this evening for the fireworks show, but it doesn't look that bad right now, which is a good thing. As of July 3rd, 2019, only 175 more days till Christmas. Well, most of you guys, it'll be 174 because this will be posted tomorrow, but you get the idea. I know we're celebrating 4th of July today, but I just want you guys to know, if you guys are ever here, come into this Christmas shop right by the Haunted Mansion, Liberty Square, Hall of Presidents. Come get you an ornament. Look how cool this ornament is. And then you can get it, you can pay for it, and you come over here And they would actually personalize with your family name or your last name or anything you want. It's pretty cool. We're in the Christmas store and look at their pin board. It's like a plate of cookies, but with Disney pins. Dan? Is that you?
Blood on the sand.
It's the same way everywhere I found. All the guys tearing me on, tearing me down.
Looks like the live DJ is getting set up for the Frontierland dance party that's going to be going on today and tomorrow night. It's always a fun time here. It's currently going on 5:15, and cast members just put this balloon here to let guests know that you can see the fireworks from multiple angles and not just Main Street in the hub, because the park is getting pretty full now as we're getting closer to firework time. And it's looking like it's going to rain for a little bit. You may need to find some cover. What we are currently looking at here is a replica of the famous Liberty Bell, and you can find it right here in Liberty Square. This next couple days, including today and tomorrow, is one of the most busiest times here at Walt Disney World, especially Magic Kingdom. But it's not Magic Kingdom's day because half the rides are temporarily closed right now, including the Treehouse, Aladdin's Carpets, Pirates of the Caribbean, Jungle Cruise, Splash, and Big Thunder Mountain, and
Mine Train,
Seven Dwarfs Mine Train,
Winnie the Pooh,
Dumbo, Barnstormer, Astro Orbiters,
the Speedway,
Tomorrowland Speedway.
That's off right now.
Space Mountain is actually up right now, yeah, it's cast members are having a hard day. And as always, you can celebrate the American history here inside of the Hall of Presidents. Well, we decided to come watch the Hall of Presidents. It's a favorite attraction today. It's pretty full. I'm excited. I ran into some Charmies all the way from England, and you're celebrating the 4th of July here in America. Yeah. Oh man, what a view. With Mr. Walt and Abraham Lincoln, two iconic human beings in American history.
Conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal.
Yeah, Brock.
My fellow citizens, no event could have filled me with greater anxieties than that notification on the 14th day of April, 1789.
Execute the office of President of the United States and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
Well, that was a interesting show. It was a house divided. Security was extra tight in there for today and I'm sure tomorrow. Going on 6:00 p.m. and people are already camping out for their spots for the fireworks show. We still have a few hours. The DJ is currently getting set up. The dance party starts at 7. There's some cloud coverage coming in. Hopefully they'll miss us. But you guys remember Taylor, WDW couple. She's here. It's about to get real. Hopefully it doesn't last long.
He introduced the show at the World's Fair in New York City in 1964, and it was an immediate smash hit.
Oh, Patricia!
It'll scare him away.
Well, dear, if that happens, you'll always have that torch you can carry for him.
We are crashing Resort TV 1's live stream. Wait, I'm gonna take it over. Hey guys!
It's Walt Streamception. Wait, if she started her camera with the space-time...
Oh, what the heck? 3 different channels at once? This is Kayla. If you have one dance move, this is your one dance move? Yeah. Okay, sure. Okay, all right. And you're looking a little tired.
Still recovering from last night.
Last night was hard. If you guys haven't seen that live stream, go check it out. Wait a minute.
An amazing dessert that I hope is good. I haven't tried it yet. Don't say it. Don't say it.
Bianca?
Coming to meet your dear Magic?
Instagram?
Oh yeah, Instagram, Facebook, and hopefully maybe one day as big as other people on YouTube. Maybe.
I wish I was big as you on Instagram.
We should just trade.
Trade tips.
Okay, here you go.
Here you go. All right, what are we doing? Wait, you're already on YouTube.
Apparently there's a new treat that showed up yesterday that's going through September. All right, Josh, how you liking it?
It's good.
Yeah.
It's a Mickey Mini chocolate dome.
Ooh.
And there is a little bit of heat in there. It's just warm. It's not like it's spicy.
Yeah.
You don't need like water or anything to like chase it down to cool it off. But it's just enough that it just adds a nice flavor to it. It's good. It's great.
I'm gonna steal some.
Go for it.
A little bit. It is a little spicy, I guess. I mean, it's not crazy hot or anything, but it gives it a nice little kick. I kind of like it.
This is my first time. Like,
wait. Awesome shirt.
I was like, who's that? This shirt's amazing. Wow, guys.
You're gonna have fun tonight. Hope
We're gonna have fun.
Yeah. Hey, nice shirt.
Everybody with your hands up.
Well, happy 4th of July. She's having a little bit of a panic attack, but it was good meeting you. I can't believe they're playing this at Magic Kingdom.
But we need to hear all the voices here, Frontierland. Everybody say,
can nobody tell me nothing?
take my horse to the old town road. Take my horse to the old town road.
Oh yeah, friends.
All right.
Yes! It's going on 8:30 p.m. and the crowds are getting pretty heavy. Fireworks start at 9:15. They just put some stars on the castle, but we are dealing with pretty bad lightning at the moment. Hopefully it'll go away. Oh, it's the Magic Geekdom.
Well, hey.
They've been in my videos before, I'm sure you guys know. They have an amazing YouTube channel. I'll leave their link down in the description. Look who it is, super enthused, Jackie.
Hey!
I miss you so much. We used to hang out all the time.
No, it's like so hard.
Now you're famous. I'm just kidding.
He's famous. I'm wearing blue. You're wearing red, white.
Well, what kind of
But
matching?
I'm only wearing blue, but like I'm red kind of just in general, so.
Look at the background with the lightning.
It's really nice. I like it.
Pretty cool.
Yeah,
Good seeing
pretty
you.
cool.
Oh my. Look at the sunset. Looks like cotton candy in the sky now. After about a 15-minute delay, we got the thumbs up. The fireworks are about to begin. I think we beat the mad dash. Alright guys, I think that's it for tonight. What a great 4th of July it was, spending it with all of you guys and so many friends. It was so good to see Josh and Taylor from the WDW couple, Magic Geekdom, Jackie Super Enthused, Expedition Theme Park. Met so many of you charmies out there, Resort TV1, Dan the Man and Bianca. I love it when I catch you off guard. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Have a great 4th of July. Enjoy your family time. Enjoy the barbecue. Enjoy the beer. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does let me know you guys care and you guys enjoyed the video. Hit it, body slam it, bash it. We need these likes to go up. Comment, start a conversation. Don't be shy. Let me know what you guys do on the 4th of July, if you have any family traditions. I'm curious. Subscribe if you guys are new here. We do this quite often. If you guys want a Prince Charmer Dev t-shirt, check out my links down in the description. If you guys want to donate to the channel, check out my PayPal link in the description as well, as all the donations really do help fund all the adventures I'm able to take you guys on. As far as now, I love you guys so much. It's nice to be nice in YouTube. I'll see you guys in the next video. Prince Charming out.